Bo to tak jest.
A, super.
O kurwa. Okay, so just got by the Silverlake. Looks pretty decent over here, but I'm not sure if we're gonna enter the park. Damn. Yeah, we're right here by the lighthouse, but looks like the parking lot is full. Oh, and if I didn't mention that before, that's Lake Michigan. Just on the other side from where we live. That's Michigan side. Got more info about the lighthouse. So if you ever come to the lighthouse, don't come over the long weekend. Look at the line at the entrance. The parking lot is extremely small, so probably have to wait like half an hour up to an hour, if not longer. So let's go back to the city.
Idą daleko.
Dawaj, 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 dawaj.
Dawaj, dawaj, to was...
Come on, hard.
Yeah.
So it's time for a romantic date.
Oh yeah, by the sunset.
Guys only. Yeah, look at this. Got a little private lake over here.
Sunset.
Actually looks better in on a video than in real life.
Is it possible?
Yeah, it looks way better.
The plan is, Vanya's gonna pull me on his electric bike on the shore, and I'm gonna be hanging on for dear life. See what happens here.
My się jaka paść obowiązujemy.
O! Czasem się nie puścił. No easy, kurwa.
I forget it. Again! Again! America!
Jedziesz? Dawaj. O kurwa!
No.
America! Drifting!
Dawaj! Ameryka! Ameryka!
Z drugiej strony!
Puść!
A poczekaj, bo tu brzosko. Okay.
America! O kurwa!
Czasami nie chcę ruszyć, nie wiem czemu.
Bo to tak jest.
A, stopka.
America! Zapomniałaś! America!
O, masz to!
Okay, so that's pretty good. Pretty good day. No dirt biking.
No,
No dirt biking, but
yeah.
that was pretty decent, I guess.
I'm all set now.
Tomorrow morning, 1
We're gonna
hour.
go tomorrow morning?
Yep,
5
1
a.m.?
hour. Yeah, 5 a.m. sharp.
Sharp.
1 hour, and that's it.
Okay. Sounds like a
Yep. So today's pretty much the last day.
That was good.
The weekend
Good
is
trip.
over.
Good trip.
Yep.
Beautiful weather. No rain.
4th of July.
Setup right here.
Yep. Got a few campers. Yeah, we should do a little walkthrough. All right, so this is our setup. We got our 2 crazy machines. Maciek's Kawasaki, my KTM. That's Maciek's camper. And this is my new toy. Probably I'm gonna do one video with more detail in the future. That's a Forest River camper, Wildwood. It's 26er. My truck. A lot of room inside. Let's check out the other campers. Zobaczmy. Let's check out this camper. This one's Falcon. All right. So let's see what's inside. A couple bunk beds over here. The restroom. So you get bunk beds, slide out. Big bed over here. Oh, it's pretty decent. Yes, this Falcon is 24 footer. Let's go check it out Monia's. Monia's should be like what, 18?
18.
Co się dzieje? Glasgow. That's his mama. I check out this camper. Also with a slide out, little bed. And the restroom. O tak? O tak. That's the proper way how to start fire.
O kurwa. Dobra.
A little more, a little more.
Nie. Czekaj.
O kurwa.
Uwaga!
Nice! Oh shit.
No, tata zrobił, tata zrobił.
O, krzeseł.
Ale opaliło nóżkę. Wszystkie włoski zbalały.
It's the last day and it's time to go home. Guys already left. I'm almost packed up over here. Of course, a lot of stuff. Takes a while, especially with the baby. A few more minutes and we're going. Alright, final walkthrough. Alright, if you didn't see my camper before, guess I got bunk beds over here on the back. Got the toilet with the shower. Got sink over here with the mirror. Pretty decent size refrigerator. With the freezer, microwave, stove with the oven. Got couch over here. And the bedroom. So a lot of room for activities. I like it. Alright, let's close it up. Alright, almost ready. Almost.